The first topic is conversions with dimensional analysis. In the first sentence here, an object is moving at a speed of 9 kilometers every 6.5 years. So that is your initial rate, 9 km over 6.5 years. What we would like to do is convert that into inches per day. So I'm going to write that way down here because I'm not exactly sure how many conversions I'll need to make. So I'm going to try and change kilometers into inches first, and then I'll focus on changing years into days. I'm going to look at my chart here and take a look at what I know. And I see here that I have some information about kilometers down here, that kilometers and miles have a conversion. So if I can convert to miles, I can convert to kilometers. So I can then also change miles into feet. And I can turn feet into inches. All right, now in order for you to make a conversion, your rate has to have a cancellation of kilometers on top and kilometers on bottom. So I'm going to write my next rate here as 1 mile is 6.09 kilometers. 1 mile over 1.609 kilometers. And there's that cancellation. Kilometers on top, kilometers on bottom. My next rate will be to change those miles into feet. And so I'm going to multiply this so that miles is on the bottom and feet is on the top. And feet is 5280 and miles is 1. But I get another cancellation here. And then I'm going to change feet into inches. So I'll multiply again. And I'm going to take inches on top and feet on the bottom so I can cancel out feet. And go back to this ratio and say 1 foot is 12 inches. All right, so now I have my inches that I want. So down here I said I wanted inches, and now I have it. So now I need to get my years into days. So let's see what I've got here. 1 year is 365 days. So I can put year here and days there because that's what I wanted. And 1 year is 365 days. So year cancels with year, and looks like I have just inches on the top as I scan and just days on the bottom. So now what I have is 9 times 1 times 5280 times 12 times 1. That's my numerator. And my denominator is 6.5 times 1.609 times 1 times 1 times 365. So that's a lot of math, but all we have to do is put that in our calculator. So let's see. All right, pull my calculator up here, get my fraction going, and I've got 9 times 1 times 5280 times 12 times 1. I probably could just leave all those times 1 off. Save myself some time. 6.5 times 1.609 times 1 times 1 times 365. And let's see what we get. 149.38. So what does it ask us to do? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. So let's see. I'm going to go with 149. So 149. Let's type that in here. 149 inches per day. Excellent. Let's try another one. 470 centimeters every 3 hours. So 470 centimeters every 3 hours. And I want inches and minutes. So let's see what I've got for centimeters. I've got this one for centimeters. I've got this. Oh, there we go. This one goes straight from centimeters to inches. So that's my winner. Now remember, if you already have centimeters in the numerator, you need centimeters in the denominator for your next rate. So inches on top, centimeters on bottom, fill in that ratio, 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters. All right, centimeters is canceled, inches is here. All right, next is hours to minutes. I think we can do that one pretty quickly. 1 hour is 60 minutes. I need hours on top, and I need minutes on bottom. And hours cancel, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. All right, so I've got my rate into the correct values here. So everything canceled out. I've got inches and minutes. All right, let's get that calculator back up. So it looks like in our numerator we have 470 times 1 times 1. So that's just 470. And on our denominator we have 3 times 2.54 times 60. I got 1.027. It says round to nearest hundredth. Hundredths is the twos place, so that 2 is going to round up to 1.03. 1.03. Type that in. I gotta clear this writing. Yes, we did it. Okay. All right, let's go to the next topic here.